You are attending computer coding class.
Welcome. Today our topic is how to get the list of all tables in MySQL server using Python. Here we will show all the tables of a particular user-defined database. Here my operating system is Windows. I am using Anaconda package. IDE is Spider. Python version is 3.7. For MySQL I am using WAMP server and web server is Apache. I have already installed Python MySQL connector driver. Let's start coding. First of all, we will install Python MySQL connector driver. Now we will create connection. Here I will use connect command. Now in parentheses we will set all the arguments, where first argument is host. Host is our local host, that is the IP address of our web server Apache. Username is by default username of MySQL server is root. There is no password. Next we will set the database name. Here user will insert database name. So here we will use user defined database name. We will enter the database name here by using input function. Last argument is character set, that is Unicode true font 8. Next we will create cursor. Now using cursor we will execute our query. Our query is show tables, that will show all the tables of a database. Now we will fetch all the records, it means tables name, and stored in a record set. Now using for loop we will print all the table names. Now using MySQL command prompt we will show all the databases of this MySQL server. You can see here different databases name like AVI, AVM, CCC, Factory, Mankind, MySQL, Ramayan, XYZ. Now enter in Ramayan by using use command and show the tables of Ramayan database. There are 2 tables. Now we will run our Python program. First of all we will enter the database name. Here I am entering Ramayan and it is showing 2 tables EMP and STUD, that are the part of our Ramayan database. We have verified with the command prompt of MySQL server. Now again we run the program and enter the database name, that is the Mankind. This database has only one table, that's name is employee. We are verifying here again, and in MySQL server it is showing only one table. It means we have created this program perfectly. Now we will store all these tables name in a list. Here I will use append command to add all the tables name in this list, and at the end we will print this list. Now we run the program and entering the database name Ramayan, and we are getting this list. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel Computer Coding Class.